Boston cream pie is a heavenly combination of light vanilla sponge, creamy vanilla custard and rich chocolate ganache icing. Technically it's a cake, and today I would like to share my favorite recipe of this cake, which isn't exactly original but definitely worth a try. You're on Sweets and Treats channel, my name is Annie, and let's start! First, let's make a cream. For that we need egg yolks, granulated sugar, heavy cream, condensed milk, evaporated milk, cornstarch, vanilla extract or vanilla sugar, and unsalted butter. You can use regular full-fat milk instead of evaporated milk, but I highly recommend to try exactly this recipe without any changes. The taste will surprise you. In spare bowl, combine egg yolks, sugar, vanilla sugar, condensed milk, cornstarch and mix it well. Start slowly to add hot evaporated milk to the egg yolks mixture, whisking continuously. Then pour it into a saucepan and place on medium heat. Bring to boil and continue cooking for 3 to 5 minutes, whisking continuously until a lump-free custard forms. Take it off the heat and add chilled butter. Mix it well. Place it in spare bowl. Cover the vanilla base with clean film and leave to cool completely. Now let's make a sponge cake. For that we need eggs, full-fat milk, vegetable oil, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, vanilla sugar or vanilla extract, baking powder and salt. All ingredients must be room temperature. In a mixing bowl, combine eggs, sugar and vanilla sugar or vanilla extract. Whisk it until light and fluffy. Add milk and oil and mix it well. In spare bowl, combine sieved flour, baking powder and salt. Mix it together. Put dry ingredients into the bowl with egg mixture and combine everything together.
Pour
Pour the butter into prepared lined pan. I'm using baking frame lined with aluminum foil. Bake it in preheated oven to 175 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. While let's make vanilla syrup for our sponge cake. For that we need evaporated milk, granulated sugar and vanilla extract or vanilla sugar. Again, you can use full-fat milk instead, but evaporated milk will give some special taste for this syrup. Place all ingredients into a medium saucepan and mix it together. Place it on medium heat and bring to boil, stirring continuously. Pour it into a spare bowl and let it cool completely. Once it's ready, a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool completely in the baking frame, then take it out. Trim the cake edges. And split the cake in half. Now we have to finish making our cream. Whip very cold whipping cream until soft peaks. Stir the custard base because it might be a little bit hard after cooling. Gradually start adding whipped cream, a few spoonfuls at a time, blending continuously. Now let's prepare chocolate ganache icing. For that we need chocolate and heavy cream. Chocolate and heavy cream into a microwave-safe bowl and microwave it in 30 seconds intervals, stirring after one another. Also use steam pad to melt the chocolate. Set aside. A little bit of cream on cake stand to stick the sponge. This first half of the sponge cake. Pour half of the syrup on sponge cake. Place the cream and spread evenly. Place the second half of the sponge cake on top. Pour the rest of the syrup. The cake with clean film and place baking frame on top. Chocolate ganache and spread it evenly. Refrigerate the cake for minimum 4 hours, better overnight. Enjoy every bite of it.